Hello friends, hope you are all doing good. Before starting this video, let us recall we have studied about cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm in my earlier videos. Now, we are going to study about some important cell organelles like mitochondria, plastids, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes and vacuoles, in which today in this video we are going to study only about endoplasmic reticulum. So let us start. Before that, why are we studying about this? Do you have an idea? We are studying about this because they are important and even they carry out very crucial functions in the cells. Okay? So, what is endoplasmic reticulum? When the cell was observed under the electron microscope, a network of membranes was observed throughout the cytoplasm. This network, it creates passages within the cytoplasm for the transport of substances from one part of the cell to the other part. This network of membranes are known as endoplasmic reticulum. Here you are seeing this slide which gives an example of how it appears under microscope. Okay? In deeper manner, endoplasmic reticulum is a large network of membrane bound tubes and sheets. It is similar in structure with that of the plasma membrane which we have studied. Endoplasmic reticulum, it may have some granular like structures on its surface which are nothing but ribosomes. So some it may present and some it may not present. Okay, again we will study about this in differentiation. Okay, here the slide which you are able to see now gives different parts about endoplasmic reticulum. Here you can find smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. What are these two? So here endoplasmic reticulum, they are divided into two types based on presence or absence of the ribosomes. Here endoplasmic reticulum, they are divided into rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which we are going to study now. First of all, rough endoplasmic reticulum are nothing but the endoplasmic reticulum having some granule like structures on its surface which are ribosomes are known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. The slide which you can see here is nothing but about rough endoplasmic reticulum. Here ribosomes you can see in the above slide which are present in this manner. Okay, so they constitute the cell. Now we are going to study about the functions of rough ER. So this rough endoplasmic reticulum is the site of protein manufacture. Now we are going to study about smooth endoplasmic reticulum. What are these? The areas or sections of endoplasmic reticulum which do not possess ribosomes are called as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. You can find this in the above slide about smooth endoplasmic reticulum which contains membranes without ribosomes. Okay, now we are going to study about functions of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The manufacture of fat molecules or lipids which are important for cell function are produced by this smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and whichever the manufactured proteins and lipids are there, they are then sent to the various places in the cell depending on the need using the endoplasmic reticulum. Some of these proteins and lipids, they will help in building the cell membrane. Thus, one of the function of the endoplasmic reticulum is to serve as channels for the transport of materials, especially proteins, between various regions of the cytoplasm or between the cytoplasm and that of the nucleus. Even there is another function which involves cytoplasmic framework providing a surface for some of the biochemical activities of the cells. So it provides as the cytoplasmic framework. Even in vertebrates, the liver cells, smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays a crucial role in detoxifying many poisons and even the drugs. So these are all the functions which we have studied. So in this video we have covered about the endoplasmic reticulum, in which we learnt about the smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough one. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you find it meaningful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can receive all my latest updates. Thank you.